Hello, welcome to your assembly video for House of Cardboard's Kraft-Me Cubby House that you guys have purchased. Today we're going to go through the assembly of the Cubby House, but we'll start with unpacking the box and going through all the parts. On the top here, as per usual, we have the last piece you're going to use, which is the roof. We'll put that to the side. We then have on the side here all your craft little components that the kids can use later, and they can paint, decorate and put in place to decorate their cubby house. Put those over the back there for now. There's two of those. We then have our walls. So you'll see on the top here, there's a 45-degree angle cut in three places. That's the top. And they face in when you put the cubby house together. The window pieces are also left in place so the kids can pop them out and then use them to decorate the cubby house, make little craft activities out of. So you've got two side walls, 1 and 2. Then we've got some little bunny rabbits the kids can pop out and decorate. They'll go in the garden bed on the side of the cubby house. I'll show you where they go later on. These two triangle pieces here, you'll see they have little push outs there. They're to hold the little rabbits, the little bushes and the little flowers. They'll go on the side of the cubby house, so they'll be later on. Put them up the back. We've got the back wall of the cubby house. And we have the front wall, which has got your door in it. So that's the outside. They fold around to the side. Alright, so here we go. We'll put the body part of the cubby house together. So you'll start with peeling off the double-sided tape that's on the edges here. Alright, so we got front of the cubby house and one side wall, and again you want those 45-degree angle cuts to be facing the inside of the cubby house. So line it up against, you want this piece there to be nice and tight up against there. Turn it around, and then just apply a nice amount of pressure for the double-sided tape to adhere there. Then once that's up, it'll hold itself up, and then you can do the same to the other side. Nice and flush up against the front here. Turn the side in, and then just apply pressure all the way up and down to get it to stick together. So grab the back. So we then grab the back, we remove the tape, and again, just fold those in. You can fold them before you try to put it together. And then just line the corner up. And same on the other side. Alright, now that we got the walls put together, let's go ahead and put the roof on. So the easiest way to put the roof on is to fold it inside out. So you got that V cut on the outside, like that, and then place it on. Line them up on one side first. Just some gentle taps until it's into place. So now it's in place, and just fold it over. And there you go. So that's the main construction of the cubby house there. You got your front door, and then you got all the pieces here that the kids love popping out, playing with later on, colouring in, sticking it on. Just another little handy tip, when you're popping these pieces out, they do come out a lot easier when you pop them from the outside into the inside. It's just the way that the board's cut, and it does pop out a lot easier and less chance of damaging. So once your cubby house construction's complete, we have these little triangular pieces here that we've designed those to be a little garden with a little bunny rabbit and a flower and some bushes to go in. So you can just pop these pieces out, and they just simply push straight out. Something the kids love doing. So you have the little base there, and then back over here, some of the first pieces that we took out. One was the little bunny rabbit there, so you can just carefully pop him out. One there. And then we've got the flower. You'll see a piece cut out here. There's nothing missing from there. It's just a piece that we cut out of here and we put inside the packing carton just to stabilise the cubby house during transport. So there's nothing missing. It's purposely cut out of there. Alright, so we can pop the flower out. Bushes, and there's also a couple of little extras on here. One's a rainbow, they can cut it, stick it on. The love heart, just a couple of little extra bits and pieces that the kids can paint, colour in, put stickers on. So we got the little garden bed. The bushes just pop in like that, one on each side, and then you've got your little flower. And your rabbit. So that's your little garden bed there, and I'll show you where that goes. Okay, so your garden bed's assembled now, and that just slides in. You'll see two little cutouts here, and on the back of the garden bed there's two little nodes that stick out there, and they just slide in on the side there. It's a nice little addition for the kids to have on the side of their cubby house. Also on the top here we got some stars that the kids can pop out there. And on the other side here we've got some more stars and a moon. You can hang some little fairy lights through there, give it a bit of an atmosphere inside there. Other people have told us they like to put a bright light inside of it, and it makes the shapes up on the roof. But have fun with your cubby house. Love to see what you guys come up with. Creations, decorations, colours. Look forward to seeing what you send us in. Thanks guys.